Delicious pizza with an awesome twist. No cheese, no yeast, and no baking soda. Love to eat pizza and want to make that kind of tasty pizzas at home? Follow along with me to know the simple yet no failure strategy. Hello Alice, I am Arunima and welcome to Homely Kitchen with Arunima. Let's make the Diwali special unique egg pizza recipe. To prepare the toppings of the pizza, add some chopped onion and chopped capsicum in the heated pan. Dry roast them. As I am making the pizzas in the pan, so I am roasting the toppings for a crunchiness. Generally pizzas are baked in oven, so at that time toppings are also roasted. To get the same result, follow this step. Take them out of the pan. Add some chopped tomatoes and dry roast them also. I am making the pizzas with onion, capsicum and tomatoes. You can use any other toppings also. Take them out of the pan. If you want to see another tiffin recipes, I will give the link in the I button and in the description box. Do check the chicken wrap recipe. Now make the cheese spread. Add some butter in the heated pan. Melt the butter. If you want, you can use the mozzarella cheese also, but I am showing the way where you have nothing to make the pizzas at home, but you want to make it. So I am showing you the cheese making recipe also. Melt the butter in the low to medium flame. Do not burn it. Now add the flour in the equal quantity of the butter. Roast it nicely. It is a unique pizza recipe, egg pizza. Comment down below how is your experience to make the pizza. Now gradually add the milk and stir continuously to avoid any lumps. One tip here, if your cheese mixture is full of lumps, what you should do? Simply blend the mixture for 30 seconds and your lumps-free cheese mixture is ready. Keep stirring. Make the cheese spread in low to medium flame. Do not make it in high flame. It is the perfect thickness for me. Turn on the oven. Keep it in a bowl. Now the most interesting and unique part of the pizza, which is the pizza crust. Let's make it. Break 2 eggs. If you need, you can add more eggs also. Beat the eggs nicely. In this pizza crust, you need nothing, no baking soda and no yeast. Add some salt and mix gently. Add milk for more taste. Beat nicely. Add flour. Instead of flour, you can use the whole wheat flour also. Mix carefully. A runny batter of the pizza crust is ready. Make a lumps-free batter. Now take a pan or tawa and add some oil in it. Heat the oil and spread it evenly on the pan. Pour the batter on the pan. Cook it nicely. First, let it be cooked from the bottom. Do not disturb it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. Flip it carefully. After that, flip it and again cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out of the pan. See how perfect the shape is. Now decorate the pizza. Add the pizza sauce and spread it evenly. If you want to see the pizza sauce recipe, comment down below. Instead of pizza sauce, you can use the tomato ketchup also. Now add the cheese spread. Spread it evenly. Do not rub it, otherwise the pizza sauce will be removed. Add the cheese spread as per your taste. Add the toppings as per your choice and decorate it nicely. Organize the pizzas as per your taste. If you want to see another easy pizzas recipe, comment down below. Definitely I will make the pizzas and show you. Is it different from the regular market pizzas? Add some seasonings for more taste. Add oregano and chili flakes. And your unique homemade pizza is ready to eat. I am showing you to cut the pizza. See how perfect it is. Serve it hot and enjoy the unique Diwali special pizza with your family. Have you found this video helpful? Don't forget to like and share this video and comment down below have you enjoyed this unique pizza recipe or not. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and set to all to get notification of the more exciting recipes. Follow me on Instagram to know the upcoming recipe beforehand. Okay Alice, that's all for today. Meeting you in next Friday with another Diwali special recipe. Till then, bye.